करूँगा।
अच्छा बोलिए बोलिए फटाफट।
ठीक है, टोपिया ठीक है ना?
हाँ बोलिए।
Dear Indian students, today is 3rd December, birthday of the first President of India from Patna, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, first President of India after independence from Patna, Rajendra Prasad. I am living and visiting you, Erodes Alexander. First, putting before you CV of the for the post of president. CV, curriculum वाले
करिकुलम वेक्टा।
or biodata before you, all Indian students, Haldar, lively and listening. Cutthroat competition for the post of presidents between Patna Vice Chancellor, Patna Vice Chancellor, Governor of Joint Punjab, and the Punjab Chief Minister, Dancing Chief Minister, and Home Minister of India for the post of President in 1980. Punjab Dancing Chief Minister, Sardar Gyan Jail Singh, he was Home Minister in 1980, and very dashing Prime Minister, Chief Minister of Punjab during 1980. During emergency, he was very dashing and dynamic, bold, and a freedom fighter, a strict freedom fighter. On the other hand, who was to contest, who was already picked up to the second president of India from Patna after Rajendra Prasad, but, and the biodata I'm telling you, he was from high background, not like Ganjal Singh. Ganjal Singh was a very from humble background, rose to be the Chief Minister and standing Chief Minister. And that Patna, already picked by the then High Command of Congress, already picked for the President of India. And being it is the best minister, Home Minister Gyan Singh was not happy in Delhi, because even in Westminster form, President and Governor is just a ceremonial one, no power. And he had enjoyed the power, so he wanted to be Chief Minister of Punjab. But there was Darbar Singh, who was challenging Ganjal Singh, and so very unhappy he was fighting. Then my mentor and teacher of Patna, I recall and recollect even today in the memory, he had told me, what he had told to Ganjal Singh at that time, who was Home Minister, fighting to be Chief Minister of Punjab, again, from Darbar Singh, Sardarji. My teacher told him, Jani, why are you fighting for a small Punjab? Very soon, whole India will fall into your hand. And that happened. Within like 2-3 days, Ganjal Singh was met the President of India. And the Patna, who was Patna candidate, Chief Vice Chancellor, and Head of the Ministry of Punjab earlier, joined Punjab, Sir K.P. Singh was met Governor of UP. So, UP and behind the biggest state. So, research the dynamism for the post of president. And Ganjal Singh was very successful and powerful president he remained. He was dynamic and destiny. So, every morning in Delhi, I met Professor Agrawal of Delhi University, retired, who had contested for the post of president against Pranab Mukherjee. And every day he was very loud. So, as very contested, very good contest was fought for the post of president between IS from Patna, Sinha sir, and Her Excellency Draupadi Murmu. Draupadi Murmu won the presidency and Sinha Singh lost. But today is the birthday of Dr. Prasad, first President of India of Patna, Ek Bihari, Sab Pe Bhari. So all students have high goal and make your and you research how a president is elected, how president constitution is required. That you will see. So I wish all of you get the goal of president and jobless have a limit, the sky is limit. Anywhere you can go. You can be president, you can be president, you can be prime minister, you can also United Nations secretary because you are jobless and so you have your vision should be to be the president, prime minister, chief minister or United Nations secretary. I wish good luck to my all dear students of India and Asia.